In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TXT record in GoDaddy. A TXT record is a small piece of information you publish in your domain's DNS. It's commonly used for things like domain verification, email security settings such as SPF and DKIM, and other service validations. We'll walk through the exact path in GoDaddy's dashboard, and I'll share tips to avoid common mistakes along the way. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, open your profile menu in the top corner and choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything you own in GoDaddy. Find the domain section and select Manage All to open your domain portfolio. If you manage multiple domains, double check you're selecting the correct one, since DNS changes affect only the domain you open. Click the domain you want to update to view its settings, then switch to the DNS tab. If your domain is using GoDaddy's name servers, you'll see the full DNS records area here. If your name servers point to another provider, you'll need to add the TXT record with that provider instead, because DNS is controlled where the name servers live. In the DNS records area, click Add New Record. In the Type dropdown, select TXT. Now enter the details provided by the service asking you to verify or configure your domain. For name, use the host label they specify. If they want the record at the root of your domain, enter the @ symbol. If they require a specific host, such as a subdomain or an underscore label used by verification systems, copy it exactly as instructed. For value, paste the text string the service gave you. This is the actual data the TXT record publishes. Don't add extra quotes unless they told you to, and avoid leading or trailing spaces. If you're pasting a long DKIM value, paste it as one continuous string. For TTL, the default of 1 hour is fine for most setups. A shorter TTL can make changes appear faster, but the service you're configuring will usually work with the default. Click Save to apply your changes. If you see an error that a similar record already exists, you may need to edit the existing record instead of creating a new one following the same guidelines. If you have domain protection enabled, GoDaddy will prompt you to verify your identity. Enter the code sent to your email or authenticator app, and then confirm to finalize the change. After saving, DNS updates can take a few minutes, and in some cases up to 24-48 hours to fully propagate. When the service indicates, return to their verification page or run a DNS lookup to confirm the TXT record is live. That's it. You've added a TXT record in GoDaddy with confidence.